If you're commuting into DC, working in Alexandria, or just want a lock and live lifestyle, this condo checks a lot of the boxes. This isn't just a condo, it is convenience. Many buyers are reaching out to me asking about what their money can get them in today's market. If you're thinking about buying near the National Harbor or anywhere in Prince George County, book a free consultation. Link in the description. All right, let's check out this condo. Again, two bedroom, two bath. This is your entrance. The doors are locked, so I'm not really sure it leads anywhere. You have your washer and dryer right by the entry door. So, the entry door. You should come in. You have your closet on the right. Have the closet on the right. Okay. Then you have your kitchen area. Look at all this light. Okay. Living in a condo is all about lifestyle, nothing else. This is my open house setup, so don't worry about that. But this is your kitchen area. Now, for me, it's always the view, okay? So imagine cooking in this kitchen, and this is your everyday view. You can see the flag by the National Harbor. You can see all the different building next door. And you even have the University of Maryland, Capitol Height, something. I can really read it from over here. Yeah. Beautiful view. Then, as I said, it's a two bedroom, so this is bedroom number one. So pretty regular size. I think you can fit a queen bed. Then this is the closet. I love what they've done with the closet. They just created additional space, which is beautiful. And then you have your shower. And then you have your vanity right there. Okay. Okay. Now we can check out the second bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom number two. Same size. I think you can fit a queen bed in here. Once again, it's the windows and the views. That's everything. You have the same type of bathroom, except on this one you don't have a shower. You actually have your bathtub, and then you have your vanity with the double mirror and double sink. Okay. To have additional storage space right there. And then again in the closet, they created additional space. by adding some drawers. That's it. If you want a private showing, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, or send me a DM. Bye.